Welcome everyone. Today's episode is all about Bengal Tant. The first sari which I am going to show you, it's a Tangail sari, not Dhakai. This is Tangail sari. Just check the palla part. It's very pretty one, beige with red with slight green and yellow is also there. যেটাকে আমরা বেঙ্গলের টাঙ্গাইল শাড়ি বলি, সেই রকম একটা শাড়ি আমি একটা পাল্টা করে পুরো দেখাচ্ছি দেখুন. You can understand the work. This is very neatly done. This is the look, and all the sarees having palla part, and all the sarees having at least this saree having a blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece. It's difficult to drape you the saree right now, so I will show you the blouse piece separately. This is the blouse piece. Price of this saree is 2250. 2250 with free shipping, and the booking number, as you know, 9330866384. Moving to the next one, I'm not going to open the entire saree from the next one. I will show you. Just check. This saree also having a blouse piece. This is saree number 2. This is saree number 2. Just check the palla part. This is the palla part. This one white with copper color. Very elegant. Those who cannot wear white, red color, orange color, or those who love to wear white sarees, they can take it. The price of this saree is also same, 2250. Very fine quality. The count is the thread count is 120. The thread count is 120 and it's different type. I think it is clear. See the design. This all are Bengal Tangail, which we call, and this is the blouse piece. Price is 2250. 2250. Moving to the next one, number 3. 3 is also like first one, only the color combination is different. You must see the palla part first. I will show you the palla. Just check. This is the palla part. ভীষণ সুন্দর কিন্তু এই শাড়িগুলো, যারা বেঙ্গল টাঙ্গাইল পরতে ভালোবাসেন বা চান, অনেকে রিকোয়েস্ট করেছিলেন যে আমি শুধু ঢাকাই দেখাই, একটু টাঙ্গাইলও দেখাতে, সেই জন্য দেখালাম. অ্যান্ড ডেফিনেটলি অফ ভেরি গুড কোয়ালিটি, মানে ওই যেটা পরেও কমফর্ট থাকবে, একদম পিওর কটন. অ্যান্ড দ্য প্রাইস ইজ 2250. This saree is also having a blouse piece of similar color with the border. Palla part, and see the buta. This one is beige with blue, grayish blue. This is the color combination of the saree. I think it is clear. I will show you in this way. Bengal Tangail sarees. Price is 2250. Price for this one is also 2250, and this saree having a blouse piece. Booking number is 9330866384. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Now, moving to saree number 4. 4 is also Tangail saree but of different type, and this saree do not have any blouse piece. See, palla part. This portion is for palla. The saree having temple border with paisley motifs in the palla all over the body, and the color is pista green, light green. Just see, all over the body you will get this type of buta, but the saree is very simple but very elegant. The price for this one is 2150 or 2050. 2150. Right, the price of this saree is 2150. These saree do not have any blouse piece. This is the entire look of the saree. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Requesting all of you to put some comments on my YouTube channel as well as Facebook page. This is number 5. Another one. This one is also Tangail saree. First I am showing you 5 Tangail sarees. Just check the palla. This portion is for palla. Entire saree is of beige color with blue and green. As the summer is coming, these all are very eye soothing and comfortable sarees. This saree also do not have any blouse piece, but the saree, you just check, from the very beginning you will get the same volume of buta. একই ভাবে গেছে, কিন্তু আপনারা জানেন টাঙ্গাইল শাড়ির প্রথম এই অংশটুকু একদম বিগিনিংটা একটু খালি কাজ থাকে না. ফ্রম হিয়ার অনলি ইউ উইল গেট দ্য buta all over the body. You will get same volume of buta. This one is also very sober, very nice saree. Price is same 2150. This saree also do not have any blouse piece. I will mention in which saree the blouse is there. I will mention, definitely mention. This saree again having a blouse piece. It's baby pink color with blue combination with a very nice work. You can see this extended part is the blouse piece of the saree. This extended part is the blouse piece of the saree. This is the Dhakai saree of Bengal. Now check. It will be the entire look of the saree. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number, requesting all of you to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Booking number is 9330866384. Moving to the next one. Next one is another Dhakai saree. Now I am showing you some more Dhakai sarees. This saree also do not have any blouse piece. This is a typical one, but the color combination is something different. And as the summer is coming, you all require all these sarees. I will show you some block prints also. For any requirement, please write to me on my WhatsApp number 9330866384 so that I can show you the sarees according to your requirement. Moving to the next one. This is a grey color. Now what I am showing you all are Dhakai saree. The first 5 sarees was Tangai, Bengal Tangai. This is another one. It is grey with white and zari combination. Another beautiful Tangai saree, Dhakai saree. All are cotton and semi hard. As you know, these all are pure cotton Dhakai saree with semi hard. These all are semi hard, not very hard. These all are semi hard. This is the entire look. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. Shipping is free all over India. Next one, another beautiful saree. This saree also having a blouse piece, and see the texture of the saree. This portion is for palla. This portion is for palla. The color of the saree is beige color again, beige with red and yellow and green. This portion is for palla. All over the body you will get the same volume of buta, with both side border. This is the blouse piece along with the saree. And see the texture. I will show you the texture of the blouse piece. It will be easier for you to understand. See the texture. There is a checks all over the saree. You will get this type of checks. Very pretty one. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Now another one. This one is also very pretty. Similar type, only the color combination is different. It is of beige with yellow and blue. Those who cannot wear red color, for them I have taken another color. I am showing you another color. This is beige with yellow and blue, but very sober and eye soothing color. Similar type, only the color combination is different. In this saree also you will get this type of checks along with the blouse piece. This is the look. For booking, take the screenshot. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Next one, it's a baby pink color, checks Dhakai, but without any buta in the body. These are also very pretty, very sober and light color with an elegant look. Just see, this is the entire look of the sari. Palla part, I'm showing you the palla. This portion is the body. The color is baby pink and you are getting a blouse piece of same color along with the sari. And the checks is there all over the body. This is also Bengal Dhakai. But all are cotton and semi-hard. I repeat, all are cotton and semi-hard. Now this one, I have a request to show you a black and white sari. That's why this is not milk white, it is off-white rather, off-white with black combination. Off-white with black combination. Along with this sari, you are getting a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Entire sari with checks. Price is same, 1750. Price is 1750. This is sari number 12. This is sari number 12. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. As you know, the booking number is 9330866384.